Hey y'all, today we're making a chocolate milk cake. It's so moist and so easy. Alright, so I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to grease two 9-inch baking pans. I will have all the measurements and ingredients in the description box. My dry ingredients, I'm adding flour, sugar, baking powder, cocoa powder, salt, and baking soda. I'm going to whisk those together and then set them to the side. Alright, and then for my wet ingredients, I have a cup of milk, some vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and vanilla, and then I'm going to beat those. And then next I'm going to incorporate the dry and wet ingredients. I did split it up into 3 parts, and then just going to blend those until everything is smooth. I just wanted to say that this cake was really easy to make. It came out so moist. There are not a lot of steps to it like some other cakes I've made in the past, and it just was really moist, and I thoroughly enjoyed making this. And so in the next step, I'm going to add in a cup of hot water, and then I'm just going to beat that on low for maybe another 30 seconds or so. I'm going to add the mixture to my cake pans, and then we're going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes, and then we'll start to work on our frosting. If you are new or returning, as always, thank you for watching. You guys, do you have any of your favorite holiday cakes that you like to bake? Like I told you, I'm a great cook, but I'm still learning to bake. But I want to know some of y'all's favorite holiday recipes. Comment down below what you like to bake for Christmas or Thanksgiving. So here are the cakes after they have come out of the oven. I'm going to wrap them in saran wrap and put them in the freezer and let them cool for about an hour. Wrapping them in the saran is a trick that I found from a lady on TikTok, and it really made my cakes moist. So this is something that I will definitely be incorporating in the future. Alright, next I am going to work on the frosting. I have some powdered sugar, some of that Hershey's cocoa, and then I am going to add in some butter, some milk, and then some sweetened condensed milk. I'm also going to put a little bit of vanilla and a pinch of salt and blend everything, mix it on until everything is incorporated, and we're going to frost this cake. And y'all, ooh, this was so good. I had to stop myself from eating it, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, this is the frosting. If you wanted a stiffer consistency, you can add more powdered sugar, but I'm frosting this and it came out so good. It was so delightful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wishing you guys a happy Thanksgiving. Make sure you thumbs up and like this video, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.